Friends, hi, welcome back. Today we're talking about naming arcs and central angles. I have to zoom in real tiny here because this is a little bit smaller than I had anticipated, so bear with me. All right, but it means that I'm not drawing the circles, so that's a bonus for you because I can't draw circles. So this one for number 1 says major, but for you, however, on your notes, you should be drawing circles and sketching this out. All right, so major arc for angle FQG, FQG. So FQG is this angle right in here, right? We want the major arc for that. The major arc is the one that's larger than 180 degrees. So the major arc would go all the way around like this. There we go. And so we would say the major arc is FHG, like this. You could also say it as GHF for the major arc. Our minor arc would either be GF or FG, either way on that. Okay, so these pens are very skinny and I'm not sure I like them yet. What about this one? Let's name the major arc, name the arc made by the given angle. So EQG, let me fix that. Okay, so the EQG, okay, so if we do EQG just like this, the arc that we are given is EG. Now we only use our third letter, so we would say EDG if it was over 180 degrees. Since it's not, the arc for EQG is just going to be EG. Just like that, arc EG. Okay, let's try another one. What is the arc for angle 3? So for angle 3 here, that's this guy right here. So that one is still less than 180 degrees. Now you should never assume if something is a diameter or not unless you're told. Sometimes it'll say assume anything that looks like diameter is a diameter, but you should really be told that because it doesn't look like a diameter, but sometimes it can be a tiny bit off, so you don't want to assume anything. Don't assume anything in geometry. Okay, so for angle 3 right in here, that's this guy. That means our arc is going to be KL. So KL would be our arc. You know what would make this a lot easier is if I had a different pen, because that pen is driving me bonkers. So angle 2 is this guy right in here. And so that arc is just going to be ST. ST right in here. If I wanted to do the major arc, so let's say the major arc that did not include angle 2, it would be SRT or SUT or TURS, that kind of thing. Okay, so hopefully that kind of makes sense. Let's take a look at some other ones here. Let's look at this. Name the central angle of this given arc. So VW. So for VW, so that's just 2 here. So for VW, the angle is VQW. Angle VQW. You could also write it as angle, actually no, VQW, because you started, it's arc VW, so you'd want to keep that organized like that. All right, so VTW, this tells us it's a major arc. So VTW, VTW. Okay, so we're going VTW this way. All right, so for this guy, our arc is going to be this, or our angle, I'm sorry, is going to be angle 3 right in there because that's what's going to encompass that part there. Okay, how about EF? All right, so for number 7, we have EF, arc EF. That's this guy right in here. That's just angle 1. Angle 1. What about YWX? YWX. So this one is YWX. So that goes all the way around like this, which means that the arc is going to be right in here. YQX. Angle YQX. Okay, so hopefully that helps to kind of clarify the difference between major arcs and minor arcs. If you have any questions, leave them below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.